Welcome to the KitKat factory, an engineering marvel where art and science come together. Since 1935, KitKat has been one of the world's most beloved chocolate brands.
After harvesting, the beans are fermented for several days, a crucial step that develops the rich, complex.
All processes running smoothly. Temperature nominal. Mixing speed optimal. Batch timers are on schedule.
Transcription. Okay, everything looks good here. Let's keep this running smoothly.
Wafer fingers enter the enrobing machine. Each finger passes through this chocolate waterfall and comes out fully coated on all sides.
Right after enrobing, air jets blast the bars to blow off excess chocolate. The extra chocolate drips back down.
Is this one okay?
Yeah, that one looks good. This one has a crack though.
Each bar passes over a high-speed check weigher. The weight of every single bar is measured in milliseconds.
Selected bars collected from various checkpoints are placed into a large bin. A worker wheels the bins to the garnier.
Approved bars enter the foil wrapping machine. The machine automatically wraps each bar in a thin inner foil layer.
Pakitapos ingon na patisyo pag-ilis ni kisachapapag gabi hai. Shalting se dopan abang sounds today, pas obing kasi di gabi.
Are you a fan of KitKat chocolate bars? That satisfying snap, the smooth chocolate, the crispy wafer?
The completed pallet moves into a stretch wrapping machine that spins plastic film tightly around the entire pallet for stability and protection.
Millions of bars, hundreds of workers, one perfect snap. Have a break, have a KitKat.